Unlocking the secrets of ceramic garden pot. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a very specific, yet interesting phrase, ceramic garden pot. This might seem straightforward, but there's a lot packed into these three words. Understanding phrases like this can not only enhance your vocabulary but also give you insights into culture and practical objects around us. Let's dive in. Before we dissect the entire phrase, let's look at each word individually. Ceramic. This material is made from clay that's been hardened by heat. Ceramics are famous for their durability, resistance to heat, and beautiful finishes. When we say something is ceramic, we're often talking about objects like pots, plates, or tiles that have a solid yet slightly brittle nature. Garden. A garden is an outdoor area where plants are grown. It can be for flowers, vegetables, herbs, or even just for beauty and relaxation. The word garden evokes images of greenery, nature, and the outdoors. Pot. In the simplest terms, a pot is a container. In the context of our phrase, it's a container used for holding plants. Pots can be made of various materials, including plastic, metal, or, as in our phrase, ceramic. Now that we understand the individual words, let's combine them to grasp the full meaning of ceramic garden pot. This phrase describes a type of container made out of ceramic material, specifically designed for use in gardens to hold plants. Ceramic garden pots are chosen for their aesthetic appeal, durability, and because they can help regulate soil moisture better than some other materials. You might wonder why this phrase is important. Ceramic garden pot is a great example of how English combines words to form specific meanings. It also reflects cultural aspects, such as the importance of gardening and home decor in many English-speaking countries. Understanding phrases like this can help you better engage with English content, especially in contexts related to gardening, home improvement, or even art and design. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, ceramic garden pot. I hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also sparked an interest in how language reflects material culture and everyday objects. Remember, every word and phrase opens up a new world of understanding and communication. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.